Hi, hello. So I was looking at my old videos and I realized not every time, I've done this once before, but it was really fun, so I'm gonna do it again. But I'm gonna show you a little bit of my Cyber Monday haul from ULTA. Last time I got stuff from Sephora, I didn't really like anything from Sephora. I got more drugstore stuff actually, and I wanted to do my makeup, so I just did my makeup. Fun fact, I didn't know how to curl my hair. So this is me curling my hair for the very first time with my extensions in, of course. This necklace my mom got me for my birthday. She got it at TJ Maxx, it was really cute. And then this one, it's just an updated STARBIES one. I got it from Amazon. Didn't get any face makeup. I did get some Real Techniques sponges, a pack of 2. Actually, the one that I have right now is dirty, so. I got this concealer to contour from LA Girl. It's in the shade Toast. I hope it's not too dark. I see a lot of people use it, but I'm sure a little bit can go a long way. I just wanted to try some more cream contour. Also, I got this pimple, but it kind of looks like a mole, so that's fine. And I got this, sad because it broke. It came, like, the case came broken, but I got this NYX contouring palette. I've been really into contouring lately just because it's fun. It came broken, but the palette's okay, so I think I'm just gonna keep it. I got this blush palette from Makeup Revolution. Comes with all these blushes and they're really nice and pigmented. I have a few blush palettes, but nothing like this. Probably something like this. Oh, this isn't from Ulta, but I got this from Pat McGrath Mothership palette. This is her. She's so pretty. Oh, I already used the green shades. I love Pat McGrath eyeshadows. Got the Essence Lash Princess. Everyone says this is really good, so I wanted to try it. I got 2 lip glosses, and then I guess it didn't come, but I had gotten a lipstick, but I think that order's coming. This one is in the shade Fairy Cherry, which I really like. I really like the fairy aesthetic, but look at this, it's so pretty. It's really holographic and purple. I also like the packaging on this, it has a bunch of cherries on it. I got this one, and this is the shade Minty Cherry. It's green. For my Instagram looks, I typically do some heavy mixture, but it just looks really good on photographs. So for my Instagram looks, I mix these 2 foundations, but it does leave you really cakey. I'm just gonna do my makeup regular, like if I'm going out, but I'm not because the cases are so high right now. Like, it's not even funny. That's also why I'm filming, because I'm trying to distract myself from everything going on in the world. So I'm gonna prime my face, but I'm filming this. Today is December 5th, and we have like about 2,500. Is that 2,500? Let me check. 25,000 cases as of today. Ugh, that's fucking crazy. So obviously, yeah. We're not going to talk about that because I don't want to get sad. I'm going to apply my foundation with a brush and then go in with a sponge. I'm just going to apply it in the center of my face first and then go around and blend it out. I'm using my new sponge. And other news, I guess like a happier note, my Spotify Wrapped was kind of cool. It was actually very, I was not expecting it. Rap was actually my favorite genre, which I do really like rap music, but I was expecting like indie or, you know, something typical of me. Post some pictures of my Spotify Wrapped here so you can look at them and judge me. We had Thanksgiving. Oh, for Thanksgiving here, it was just me, my mom and dad and my brother. I tried to make mac and cheese, which I did pretty good, but I made so much mac and cheese, like a lot of mac and cheese. We had to freeze some because it did not fit into our fridge. I'm using the ABH Dip Brow out of pure laziness. Let the spoolie do most of the work. And then for the front, I do a few lines and then I just... Back to Thanksgiving. It was really fun. It was my first time. Like, as a family, we made Thanksgiving pretty cool. We always go to like my grandma's or extended family. It was our first time having Thanksgiving at like our actual home. My mom made chicken, but it was so good. We didn't want to go out to the grocery store the days leading up since we knew it was going to be so crowded. Like at the beginning of November, we got a lot of like canned food and mashed potatoes and stuff like that. Stuff that wouldn't go bad. It tasted really good to me. I hope all of you have been safe. You know, I feel like I'm venting again from this like other makeup tutorial I did. I haven't had much communication with like others. All right, I'm just gonna put some here. Oof, that might not work. That looks not, okay, let's blend it. Oh, you know what, actually? As I'm blending it, it doesn't look that bad. That's actually pretty good. Man, I don't know what I would do without like contouring my forehead. That shit, really comes through for me. I've never done like cream contour besides like that Chanel bronzer that I have, but that's really forgiving, so it's fine. This could either like set really bad or it'll look really good. Here, I need like a better mirror. Okay, see, this is, I don't know how that's gonna work in the future. That probably will fix it. There we go. I figured out how to, oh my gosh, okay. How to do my concealer, again from TikTok, which helps like lift the eyes. Hopefully this works. So I'm gonna go in with this one here in the corner. I'm just adding this into like the contour area where I'd like to have cheekbones. For my under eye, there's a yellow shade in here, which I used to love using yellow for my under eye. Oh hell yeah. When I first started makeup, I would always use this from the AVH contour kit, and it would really brighten up the under eyes. This one's just as good. I'm gonna do my eyeshadow and then we'll come back and hopefully everything will be fine. So this is the eye I did. Very simple. I used the mascara, which I think is really good. I'm gonna be using this pink shade here, this purple one, and then the brown one, and then this one. I do think Pat McGrath eyeshadows are worth the investment. So if you're on the fence about them, I really recommend. The eyeshadows are extremely pigmented and they last a while because they're extremely pigmented. Sometimes I think about like my old Ulta days when I would do makeup. Oh my gosh. Like this one time I was doing makeup on this girl. It was one of my first clients. I think I've told this story before, but it haunts me to this day. Doing her makeup for some photo shoot, whatever, I don't know. I like to ask my clients like as I'm going, like, is this good? Do you like it so far? We could change whatever. Well, I don't do makeup on people anymore because I never really liked it, but it was a good income. Continuing the makeup look, I was like, do you like this? Is this good? And she's like, yeah. I love it. Wow, so beautiful. And I was like, oh cool, you know. I finish it up and then apparently she calls later like in tears saying this is the ugliest I've ever looked and I'm hideous and blah blah blah. And I was like, what? And then my manager, or the store manager, was so like, Lindsay, how could you? But I asked her if she liked it, like as I was going through the process, and she said she loved it. But luckily my salon manager backed me up and was like, yeah, she seemed like a weird lady. Some people, I don't know what the point of that was. To get me in trouble. It kind of worked. I'm keeping it very simple, just nice, something small. Essence Princess / mascara. It's waterproof supposedly, but I feel like it is a little heavy. Or most waterproof mascaras hold my lashes, but this one, it's still kind of falling, but it's not as bad. I'm actually gonna go in with like this other shimmer shade and go in the inner corner right here. I'm just gonna add an extra flare. See if you could tell the difference. Sort of. I kind of grew up. Now I use like black lash glue and it makes the best difference. It is kind of like tricky, but it makes it look so much better. So this is a look with the lashes. Super cute. Okay, now for the fun part, I'm gonna like zoom you out. We're gonna blend away all this crazy contour handy dandy purple brush. Okay, so I had some Bake. I'm just gonna go like this. For blush, I think I'm gonna go in with this pretty pink and coral, maybe? A little terracotta moment. And that's with the blush. Can make it inclusive and use the Fairy Cherry, which I think I will. Strip Down by MAC, which is a nice neutral. So I overdrew my Cupid's bow a little bit. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. I cannot even open it. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. So that's a lip gloss. You really can't tell it's purple. I think I'm just gonna cover my pimple here that's peeking through. Let's do a couple more that I have here. This is cute. What looks better? I need to do my roots too, so don't judge. I'm gonna use some of my Got To Be glue. I guess this is now a hair tutorial. And then a spoolie and just rub it on. I use this for my eyebrows too. But this really helps slick back everything. This is good for the baby hairs too when you want to style them. See? And this is the completed look. Thanks for stopping by, I guess. And I hope this was therapeutic as it was for you, as it was for me. Like always, if you'd like to check out my Instagram, anything else, I'll link it down below, put it on the screen. Always feel free to reach out and talk. If you just want to talk as like friends or whatever, I don't know, I'm here. I like talking about 90 Day Fiancé, SpongeBob, dogs, makeup, anything. I'll probably like talking about it. So if you're bored, hit me up. And there are my dogs. Okay, that's all I gotta say. See you guys later. Bye.